Hare Krishna, Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Prestaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Niti Namine Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Sunyavadi Paschatya Desatari. Dear devotees, we are doing BISMA PANCHAK VRATA. Some other says, Shastra says, Vishnu PANCHAK VRATA. Throughout the year, we have 12 months. Instead of 12 months, 4 months is very essential. This is called Chaturmasya. In the 4 months, the Damodar month is more essential, and most essential is 5 days, Ekadashi to Purnima. These 5 days, this is called BISMA PANCHAK. BISMA PANCHAK VRATA. Actually, this BISMA PANCHAK VRATA recommended in Shastras. But last few years, His Holiness Jayapataka Swami Maharaj, his focus on his BISMA PANCHAK VRATA so much. Around the world, many devotees, they are following this BISMA PANCHAK VRATA. His Holiness Jayapataka Swami Guru Maharaj, he recommended 3 steps of BISMA PANCHAK VRATA. Someone, they are following first category, completely fast, even if they are not touching water also. 5 days completely fast. This year we are observing 4 days. And second step is fruits and roots. 2 times fruits and roots, and green coconut can accept dry fruits, juice, and third stage is Havisana. So mostly in Mayapur, we are following second step, fruits and roots. This year, more than 3,000 devotees following this Vrata. Usually every year, Guru Maharaj, Srimad Jayapataka Swami Guru Maharaj, personally, physically present and guiding us. But this year, unfortunately, he is not here. He is in Chennai. But he is always, we are feeling he is always with us, sending messages.
Now we are observing BISMA PANCHAK.
So now we are observing BISMA PANCHAK.
This is mentioned in the Sanatana Swami's book.
This is mentioned in Sanatana Goswami's book.
Now you can get within this vrata
That the merit you can get by doing this vrata is unlimited.
Dietary restrictions.
There are dietary restrictions.
Do 3 varieties.
You can do 3 varieties. Panchagavya,
Roots and roots,
fruits and roots,
and Havisanya.
and Havishanya.
Since I'm a diabetic patient, I do Havisanya.
Since I am a diabetic patient, I do Havisanna.
Also the devotees do fruits and roots.
Most of the devotees do fruits and roots.
Anyway, the morning they offer a particular flower to a particular part of the Krishna's form.
Then every morning we offer a particular flower to a particular part of Krishna's form.
And besides do that on behalf of the devotees, you can also participate.
So the pujaris, they do it, they offer it on behalf of the devotees, but you also can do it.
Then for lunch, we bathe in the Ganges,
So then before lunch, we bathe in the Ganges
and we offer Charanam, Arjam, Pranam, Vishnu.
Then we offer Tarpanam, Argyam and do Pranam to BISMA Dev.
And take a resort.
Then we take Prasad.
If they have I just want to I'll take with you all the devotees.
Sankalpa.
So there's no coma that on my job is the PANCHAK will stand on that side.
So we all devotees, we do a Sankalpa. Last one, Aham Bhishma Panchak VRATA Karishye.
So this is the visit. And we made the fast on the last day after the sunset.
We break the fast on the last day after the sunset.
We prepare the feast.
And then we can take a feast. Hare Krishna.
And taking this report, and devotees are so encouraged. We are trying to do seva nicely. 3,000 people every day taking fruits and roots. What we are doing whole days. This vrata is called Hari Smaran Utsav. Always think of Krishna. This vrata make you think Krishna spontaneously. Morning Mangala Arati, after Mangala Arati we are doing japa meditation. After japa meditation we have special Go Puja, Go Mata Puja, special Go Mata Puja and Go Mata offering. Then Singar Arati, Bhagavatam class. After Bhagavatam class we will have 9 o'clock breakfast, fruits and roots. After breakfast, 10 to 1, in between, 2 things we are doing. One, we are going to Ganga, doing Tarpana, Vishwadev Tarpana, Surja Tarpana, Ganga Tarpana, Vishnu Panchak Tarpana. Their special Brahman is there, they are guiding us in Ganga Ghat. So much crowd. I am feeling this is like a Ditya, but second Mahakumbha. Huge people. They are doing Vrata, Tarpana, Ganga Snan. One part we are doing Bhishma Tarpana and Ganga Snan. And other part we are doing special puja. 5 days we have to do special puja Radha Madhava with special flower, with special parts of Krishna, limbs of the body of Krishna. This is. So then 2 o'clock again lunch prasadam, same prasad, fruits and roots. Then 4 o'clock we have special seminar on Chaitanya Charitamrita. Some senior sannyasis, they are focusing, they are guiding us, they are pushing to read Chaitanya Charitamrita. And Sandhya Sandhyarati, Gopi Gitam and Damodar Stockholm. It's a whole day. And up to night 10 o'clock, morning 3 o'clock to night 10 o'clock, whole day, packed program to remind Krishna. So this is our program. This year more than 3,000 people they are doing Vrata. We are thinking Jayapataka Maharaj is not here. Maybe people will come less. More people came because that Vrata is Vrata glory is expanding. So that's why many people they are following this Vrata. Then Purnima evening, Ekadashi to Purnima evening, after sunset, as soon as moonrise, we will have Pesal Arati and Sandhya Arati, then Gayatri, then everybody come to do Parana, complete our Vrata, Parana. And first of all, we have to take some Panchagabhya, then Prasad distribution, rice, dal, sabji, whatever we live for month. For Chaturmasa month, first month is spinach we live, then yogurt, milk, maskolai, dal. This all together we make a one sabji and other sabjis also. We'll, first of all, we have to do feed some Vaishnavas, Brahmanas. This is we are going to do complete our Vrata. This Vrata result we will get, feed some Vaishnavas or send some money to near ISKCON temple. They can feed Vaishnavas. Then we will take prasad and complete your Vrata. And go to deities and offer pranam. And whatever Vrata result we can offer to Krishna, to Guru Maharaj. So I am inviting you, next year we will prepare to come Mayapur. You just book your accommodation. We will give you all the support, prasadam, how to do tarpana, how to do pesal puja, everything guide you. You just in advance, you just book accommodation. So thank you very much. I am also grateful to all our team, Gita Bhavan. They are the cook team all day. They are arranging prasadam. Cook means boiling potato, sweet potato, peanuts, and cutting the fruits. And we are taking prasadam, banana leaves. So many things to do. And sometimes we are supplying coconut, green coconut. So I am very grateful to Gita Bhavan team and Gita Bhavan separate team that is called Prahlad Sunday School. The Sunday school team, student, boys and girls, they 2 times they are serving prasadam. I am grateful to them. All the donors, because we are taking minimum registration fee, minimum, and we need lot of support to serve nicely all the Vratadharis. A lot of donors they supported. Some people are not coming, they are serving those who are doing Vrata. So all the donors grateful. And Go Mata Seva and in Ganga, many Brahmanas, they are completely busy for making devotees how to do Tarpana. So I am grateful to them. And our ISKCON management, Mayapur management, they are so much supporting. We are also grateful to them. So I am grateful all the Vratadhari participants. Thank you very much. Be ready to come next year. Hari Bol.